Hello, little artists. Welcome to Kids Knowledge Club. Today we are going to draw and colour a fun story, The Fox and the Grapes. Let's start by drawing a big, beautiful tree with strong branches. Wow! Doesn't it look amazing? Trees give us fresh air and shade, and in our story, this tree is home to some delicious, juicy grapes. Do you like grapes? What's your favourite fruit? If you love fruits, like this video. Now, let's add the grapes hanging high. Yummy! They look so tempting. I bet our little fox will love them. And now it's time to draw our clever fox. Look at him, standing on the ground, looking up at the grapes. His tail is fluffy, and his ears are pointy. He looks very excited. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Kids Knowledge Club for more fun stories and drawings. Story time. One bright, sunny day, a hungry fox was wandering through the forest. His tummy was rumbling. He hadn't eaten anything all day. Suddenly, he spotted a bunch of big, juicy grapes hanging from a tall tree. Wow! Those grapes look so delicious. I must have them, the fox thought. He jumped once, bowing. But oh no, he missed. He tried again, bowing, bowing, still too high. The fox didn't give up. He stepped back, ran forward and jumped as high as he could. Whoosh! But he still couldn't reach them. What do you think will happen next? Will the fox find another way to get the grapes, or will he give up? If you want to know, like this video. The fox kept trying, jumping higher and higher, but no matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't reach the grapes. Tired and frustrated, he sat down and panted. Then he huffed and puffed. Humph! Those grapes are probably sour anyway, he said, pretending he didn't want them anymore. And with that, he walked away. Oh no, poor fox. Have you ever wanted something really badly but couldn't get it? If you have, like this video. The moral of the story. Sometimes, when we can't get something, we pretend we never wanted it. But instead of giving up, we should keep trying and find another way. Hard work and patience always lead to success. Now, let's make our drawing even more beautiful with some fun colours. The tree is green. The grapes are purple. Our fox is orange and white. What a colourful masterpiece. Which part was your favourite to draw? If you loved colouring, like this video, are you having fun? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Kids Knowledge Club for more amazing drawing and colouring fun, and we're done. Wow, great job, little artists. You did an amazing job drawing and colouring this classic story. Before you go, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Knowledge Club for more fun and learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.